AI side hustles are exploding right now, but most people still don't know where to start. In this video, I'll show you one powerful AI hustle that's easy to start, needs no coding, and has the potential to earn $500 a day using free tools. Real people are making real money, some earning thousands selling simple digital products they made using AI. Let me show you exactly how it works. Step 1. Choose a niche. Start by picking a digital product niche. Think ebooks, templates, or checklists. Popular ones include business, self-help, fitness, or even parenting. Step 2. Use AI to create the product. Use ChatGPT to generate content. For example, ask it to write a 10-page guide on productivity hacks. Then go to Canva and design the layout in minutes. You now have a product ready to sell, created in under an hour. Step 3. Upload and sell it. Upload your digital product to Gumroad or Payhip. Set the price. $10 to $20 works great. You don't need inventory or shipping. It's pure profit. Step 4. Drive free traffic. Use free traffic. Create a few Pinterest pins with Canva and post them daily. Or share valuable content on Reddit, then link back to your product. AI can even help write those posts for you. Bonus tip. Step 5. Bonus tip. Upsell with more AI. Once you've made your first sale, upsell. Create a bundle with ChatGPT, 3 ebooks for $25. More value equals more money. And that's just one AI side hustle that can pay $500 a day or more with consistency. Don't wait. AI is only getting smarter, and this wave is just starting. Subscribe to AI Hustle Lab for more step-by-step AI income ideas every week.